All right, working with Family Tree Maker 2019, I'm going to set some filters in place in the index so I can narrow down the focus of the folks I'm working on in this tree, as this tree is a one-place study for a little town in Texas, a little county in Texas, all the settlers that came in the 1840s and all their descendants. So I don't always want to be working on all those people. So right now, I'm just going to be working on my maternal grandmother, and here she is already highlighted. All right, so we're going to go down here and set a filter. We're going to do her ancestors. All right, and here I can include all those ancestors, descendants or not. So right now we're not going to include their descendants. All right, so her ancestors, that's 46. All right, that's went from 10,227 to 46. I'm going to apply this. All right, so that just narrows down to just her ancestors, so I can focus on, clean up their records, clean up their sources, make sure I have everything I need. So I'm going to save this filter. I'm going to call it Elvira's Ancestors. I'm going to color code them as red. All right. So if we want to go back to the whole tree, we're just going to go no filter. That puts everybody back in place. So let's work on her ancestors' descendants as well. So I'll do another filter. Sorry, did that in the wrong place. We're going to do a new filter down here where the smart filters are. So I'm still on Elvira. We're going to do her ancestors. We're going to include their descendants. So all these people in red, we're going to include all their descendants. All right. Let's just see what we get here with 10 generations of these descendants of these people here. So that took me to 3,300 people from 10,000. So I'm going to focus on just her branch of the tree and just her blood relations from those descendants. And we're going to save that. Elvira's. I'm just going to call it up and down. We'll make those orange. All right, so now I can tell the difference between those are the people that are in her direct line and then the direct line's descendants. So let's take that out, put everybody else back in the tree again. All right, you can see she's related to quite a few people in the tree. All right, so let's clear those filters. No filter. So I'm gonna, you know what? I'm gonna work on one of the other settlers in the county. His name was Pierre Cristillis. I've been working on his tree for a while. Within this tree, because I actually have a family book of his descendants. So here we go with Pierre. He's highlighted. All right, we're going to do a filter for him. New filter. His descendants. So out of those 10,000 people I have in my total tree, that takes it down to his 1,700 descendants. I'm going to save this. All right, Pierre's descendants. We're going to color them green. All right, it's just got his folks in the tree. You see there's a couple of crossovers with the other tree because they're all from the same county. So all those cousins got married. All right. So you can see how we can filter in and just focus on a tree, considering that eventually this will have 600 descendants in it. I'm sorry, 600 settlers in it. It'll be nice to be able to focus on those settlers and just their branches. And I can do that with the smart filters. Let's put everybody back in the tree. All right, see, you can see all the color codings I've set for all those filters.